Nitong Huwebes naman po nilagdaan na ng People's Television Network at Commission on Elections o COMELEC ang isang kasunduan na kung saan magkasaman lang ihahatid ang mga sariwang balita hinggil sa nalalapit na halalan. Ito ang COMELEC Hour na mapapanood dito mismo sa inyong telebisyon ng bayan. Para sa detalye, balikan natin ang report ni Noel Perfecto.
Simula sa darating na Abril 15 ng taong kasalukuyan, mapapanood na ng buong sambayanan ang isang oras na programa ng People's Television Network Incorporated or PTNI na pinamagatang COMELEC Hour. Tuwing Lunes hanggang Miyerkules ng hapon mula alas 12:30 hanggang alas 3:30 ng hapon. Muli itong matutunghayan sa replay ng Sabado bandang alas 12 ng tanghali hanggang alauna ng hapon at hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. At magkakaroon muli ng replay sa Linggo ng alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng gabi. Mismong sina COMELEC Chair Sixto Brillantes at PTNI General Manager Cleo Dongaas ang nagpatutuo ng naturang Memorandum of Agreement para sa pagpapalabas ng isang oras na programa ng telebisyon ng bayan upang mabigyan ang mga manonood ng kaalaman hinggil sa plataforma de gobyerno ng bawat kandidatong nais magsilbi sa ating bayan. At siyempre pa, para mabigyan rin ng parehas na television exposure ang lahat ng mga kandidato na lalahok sa national at local elections sa Mayo 2013. Nagbigay ng kanilang reaksyon sina Chairman Brillantes at PTNI General Manager Dongaas sa napakalagang okasyon para sa sambayanan.
Our agreement and MOA will be a totally different relationship because we are both in government. So we consider this as a milestone in forthcoming May 13, 2013 election. And our cooperation and coordination with PTV4 will always be a big, significant step for us in the Commission on Elections. And we thank PTV4 for this arrangement and agreement. We hope that we will be able to successfully complete all of the electoral requirements that we would need for the May 13, 2013 elections, and we are hopeful that the Channel 4 or the PTV government agency will be right beside us in assisting us in all of the requirements. So we thank Channel 4.
We would like to give thanks to COMELEC for allowing us to become the official media partner. Of course, being the only government station, we are also mandated to assist COMELEC in giving the right information to the public. The objective as far as we are concerned is to give the public the right information so that they will become informed, so that comes election day, they will be able to select the right leaders that they think would serve the best interest of the Philippines.
Para sa telebisyon ng bayan, ako naman si Noel Perfecto.